Parking Assistant, including linear guidance, can park the vehicle completely automatically, parallel or perpendicular to the street. The system works by measuring potential spaces while driving past them at low speed. The Parking Assistant menu can be activated by selecting reverse gear or by pressing the Park Assistant button in the center console. Select the desired parking space and, if required, the orientation. Follow the instructions in the control display to carry out the parking procedure. On some vehicles, the Parking Assistant button has to be pressed during the complete procedure, while on the vehicle shown here, you only need to press it once to start. The system does not relieve you of your personal responsibility to assess the situation. You can cancel the procedure at any time. You can also override the system via braking or steering. Parking Assistant will continue the operation if desired. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.